Seamounts represent a refuge for marine life. Their isolation in deep waters causes a change in the ocean currents, which raise nutrients to the surface. They thus attract shoals of fishes, sharks, cetaceans, turtles, and seabirds, and harbor a large variety of endemic species, as well as species of great commercial interest. They are true biodiversity hotspots. Unfortunately, owing to the great depths at which they are found, seamounts have not been much studied. For this reason, in cooperation with Fundación Biodiversidad, Oceana has used an underwater robot, or ROV, to explore some of the most important seamounts in the Spanish Mediterranean and taken pictures of places that had never been filmed before. One of the seamounts studied is Seco de Palos, off the coast of Murcia. Although large numbers of abandoned fishing lines have been found, the area is generally speaking well conserved. It is in fact well known for the abundance of species such as cetaceans, turtles, and sharks, and might also be home to others hitherto unknown to science. Groups of up to 500 pilot whales, sperm whales, striped dolphins, and sea turtles can be found in the area. There is also a large number of species protected by international agreements and the Habitats Directive, like the bottlenose dolphin and the loggerhead sea turtle. Seamounts are seriously threatened marine ecosystems because they are inhabited by species of slow growth and late sexual maturity, which are therefore highly sensitive to human activity. This is the case with corals and gorgonians, which are seriously damaged by such fishing practices as bottom trawling. One of the discoveries of the Oceana Ranger expedition was a large field of bamboo coral among the underwater mountains off the Balearic Islands. These gorgonians have practically disappeared from the Mediterranean on account of their fragility. The expedition studied the seamounts of Emil Bodot, Ausias March, and Ces Olives, all three of which are in the Mallorca Channel, between Mallorca and Ibiza and Formentera. These areas harbor species of great importance with regards to both their vulnerability and biological interest. Many of them are also threatened. Thanks to the underwater robot, depths of as much as 600 meters have been filmed. Apart from interesting soft corals and carnivorous sponges, Oceana has confirmed that species of commercial value feed and breed among these seamounts. Curious animal behavior has also been filmed. Seamounts are habitats of enormous ecological and economic value, but few have been designated as protected marine areas. The pressure of fishing, pollution, and trash already threaten their biodiversity well before we have an idea of the richness they represent. The aim of Oceana and Fundación Biodiversidad is to identify marine areas that require protection and to increase the body of knowledge on species which are under threat, vulnerable, or of interest in order to propose the correct conservation and management measures. At the current time, neither the Seco de Palos seamount nor those in the Mallorca Channel have any elements of protection in place. In light of this, proposals for the conservation of these places have been submitted. The Ministry of the Environment and the Government of the Balearic Islands have given their public support for Oceana's proposal for the seamounts of the Mallorca Channel. What is now required is for plans to be drafted for their and other seamounts' protection.